Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. Today I'm going to show you how to log in to your Grindr account. First of all, make sure you have already installed the app and create your Grindr account. All you have to do is open your Grindr app. Now you can see two options, email or phone number. Use the one that you have used while creating your account. As I have used my email to open my account, so I'm going to use my email and password to log in. Enter your password. And done, and enter on login. This is how you log into your Grindr account. Thank you.